Right. Good evening, everyone. Mike Zero Kilo November Mike. This is the first contest of the year 2023. It's the UKEI SSB 80-meter contest. As you know, I've been doing. If you follow the channel, as you know, I've been doing some maintenance repairs and bits and bobs to the antennas. This is the first time I've been able to get on air to be able to test everything. I've also been re-put on a new microphone, also with audio software. If anyone's seen my QRZ page, it explains that I use computer software to process my my audio. Goes in and out via a Behringer, little Behringer 2-channel, 4-channel, whatever it is, mixer, sound card, USB sound card. And it goes in and out of radio. So I'm hoping we get a little bit of something. I mean, you can't see it, but if I just turn this up. He is Tango Mike 2 Whiskey Radio Tango Charlie. He's coming through about 7. So I'm hoping where I've got the aerial now, things are a bit more clearer. You lot can let me know if they're a bit clearer. We'll get to know. It's actually time for the contest, but I'm just going to explain a few things first. So where I've moved the antennas to, it's most probably not the best, but they're up even higher. They're about it's about 5 meters off the ground now. The lowest point of the antenna is about 5 meters off the ground. So it's nice and high, or as high as I can get it at the moment. So we're gonna try and see if that's worked. And it's the first time that I've going to be on air with the new audio. So we'll see how things go. So with that, I'm going to crack on with this. You can't see the radio, but you can see the top end of the radio or what I'm doing on that end until I rearrange some of the cameras. So let's crack on and see if we can hear anyone, and let's have a little go. So here we go. I don't want to go too high. Mm. Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. And Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. Thank you for that. Yours is India Oscar 9-1 Victor Victor. Over. Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. Thank you for that. Yours is India Oscar 9-1 Victor Victor. QSL. Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. 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 No. Okay. So you can't see the frequency that I'm on. But okay, hold on. Let me just that one. So if you look here, you'll see the frequency here. That way you can see kind of what frequency I'm on or where I'm going. Just tune that in. Doesn't seem to be many on. Mike 0, Kilo November Mike. Let's see. Hold on. We'll do this again. Mike 0, Kilo November Mike. Mike 0, Kilo November Mike. Mike 0, Kilo November Mike. I'll turn that down for a second. Because there doesn't seem to be many people on. Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. And Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. QSL. Thank you for that. Your India Oscar 9-1 Victor Victor. Over. Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. Thank you for that. Your Italy Oscar 9-1 Victor Victor. Over. Just making sure I got the right one. Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. Lovely job. Italy Oscar 9-1 Victor Victor. Tom from the club. Oh, would be good if I'd done it on Vox, wouldn't it? Well, I've sat there quite a while. Well, not quite a while, but a little while, and no one's there. So I think there's not many on. Mm. CQ contest, CQ contest, Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. CQ contest, CQ contest, Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. CQ contest, CQ contest, Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. CQ contest, CQ contest, Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. CQ contest, CQ contest, Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. CQ contest, CQ contest, Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. CQ contest, CQ contest, Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. CQ contest, CQ contest, Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. CQ contest, CQ contest, Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. CQ contest, CQ contest, Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. CQ contest, CQ contest, Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. Doesn't appear to be many people on. Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. That was Italy Oscar 80 Echo Whiskey, Roger. And the call sign is Mike 0 Kilo November Mike, and your grid is India Oscar 91 Victor Victor QSL. I'll turn it up a little bit, because I think these are far and few between. CQ contest, CQ contest. Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. CQ contest, CQ contest. Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. CQ contest, CQ contest. Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. Oh. Wonder how many Tom has got. Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. Thank you for that. Yours is Italy Oscar 9-1 Victor Victor, over. Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. 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 Kilo November Mike. He's not hearing me. Well, I'm not going to get any more than that. Either um, moving the aerial hasn't done anything, or it's just not. Nobody's on. Um, Conditions most probably not very good. If I check, where are we? So ATIA says it's good, but I don't know. I'm never good with these propagation stuff. When the bands are good or not. So either the antenna move and height, extended height, has done nothing, or there's just nobody really on. Um, I suppose I'll just have to wait for the. I think there's a lot more people usually get involved in um, the RSGB one, which promptly is the RSGB AFS 80 and 40 data modes. The data mode one is on the 15th, to which I'll be doing. And then on the 21st is the SSB one. And then the CC, the RSGB CC contests, they start in February. So it could be the fact of nobody's really on beginning of new year. It is January. Usually people are out in sheds and stuff like mine. So it could be that, or I'm completely deaf. Either one. Um, I won't know about my audio, whether my audio is any good, until I suppose I do one of the SSB contests. Um, we're going to be changing a few things around in the shack. Pulling out some equipment, stuff like that. I have been using the radio's internal tuner on part of this, because of the aerials have been playing up a little bit. So I've got an antenna analyzer off the club, and I'll use that. I won't do it anytime soon. I'm most probably going to wait until the better weather gets here, some better sun, some warmer weather before starting messing about with the antennas again. Because doing it just before Christmas in the freezing cold, it was really difficult. And I want to be able to, with the limited daylight that I have as well, by the time I do, and now school runs, things like that. So, I hope I'll do this one as well, being this is the first one of 2023. I hope everyone had a good Christmas, a good New Year. Mine was nice. It was nice and quiet with the missus, and the New Year was nice and quiet with the kids. Had the kids over for New Year's. When was it? Yeah, it was New Year's. Yeah. I've got a few things that I want to do in the pipeline. It's just a case of money. I want to make a dipole for 80, but it's going to be pretty much a folded dipole. I've seen a few. One I want to shorten it down. Now I want to test it and see if it is any good. But I've seen one that's folded over twice, so it goes like an S. So it goes across, comes down, back on itself, and then comes down again and back on itself. And that was for an 80-meter one. What I want to do is I want to try out. I want to have a little experiment. Anybody who knows anything about antennas or maybe impedance and things like that, I don't know. Whether I'd get anything wrong. Would I want to shorten it up so it fits inside my garden. Now my garden is not very big at all. So if that means I have to put it, round as an S, a zigzag shape, then I'll do that and I'll see how short I can get that bit of wire for 80 meters shortened down. I like experimenting with aerials. Excuse me. Especially wire antennas. So I want to try that. I've also got a humongous ATU, homebrew ATU. It's not mine, it's my brother's. That I want to put on the bench as well, and see how it goes with the TS 2000. See how it goes, see how well it tunes the aerials. The MJF will not tune the cobweb on 40. It's not made for 40. And if it was ever to tune on there, I know it wouldn't. It would most probably be It wouldn't be very, very efficient at all. But if a tuner can do it, it can do it. You know, you know, you've got to try these things. So I've got a little speaker. I want to put a little tiny amplifier in to make it like a little monitor speaker for the radio. So I've got a few things that I want to have a go at. Whether I do videos on them or not, I think I most probably will, but we'll have a look. So, and I know that somebody is gonna not complain, taunt me for my my speech going So I'll get ready for that. So with that, thanks for watching. First one of the year. Obviously, is not brilliant. Only got 7. Either I was deaf or there just wasn't anyone on. Hopefully, well, the data one should hopefully be better anyway. Yeah, so I've changed a few things in the shack. Once I've got myself sorted, I will do another little video of the shack. It has changed a little bit regarding how everything was set up. A couple of bits of new equipment, I think, maybe. I'm not sure. I can't remember the old video. So once I've got sorted, I'll do another shack video. Just for making a video, I suppose. So yeah, so I'll end that there. I'm not very good with talking and stuff like that, so I'll end that there. And like, subscribe, and all the rest of the stuff. If you've actually even followed on to this far, if you've turned off, etc. And I also, that's another thing I want to do. I don't want to specifically have this channel just for ham radio. I want it, you know, radio communication in general. So I will be hooking up a 10 meter, 11 meter CB radio, and I'll do some videos on that as well. I personally don't think CB and ham radio should be split apart. You know, there's a big divide in the radio community, so to speak. That CBers are scum of the earth, etc., etc. And 9 times out of 10, you will get someone who is on ham radio would have come from CB. So for the stigma of turning noses up at CB, I don't think that should be done. That also goes for the Russian ham radio operators. I don't think we should snub them off. It's not their fault. They're just amateur radio. They're just human beings at the end of the day. But that's another. That's a debate where that's politics, and I want to keep politics out of the way of this channel. But on that note, again, if you've got this far, good night, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.